In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best RGB mechanical keyboards available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the RGB mechanical keyboards list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the RGB mechanical keyboards mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard 82 Keys. The Redragon 82-key mechanical gaming keyboard is built for precision and customization. Featuring RGB LED backlighting and hot-swappable custom linear switches, it ensures responsive and accurate key presses for an enhanced gaming experience. Compatible with Windows PC, this wired keyboard is designed for gamers who prefer a tactile and fast response, without compromising on style or performance. Its compact design is perfect for small setups or on-the-go gamers looking for a high-quality keyboard. Number 4, SKYLOONG GK61 Mechanical Keyboard 60%. The SKYLOONG GK61 is a compact, 60% mechanical keyboard that combines performance and portability. Designed with gamers in mind, it features optical hot-swappable switches and vibrant RGB lighting. Its Bluetooth wireless connection ensures seamless gaming on the go, while its sturdy build provides durability for extended use. Ideal for desktop setups and gamers looking for a space-saving design, this mini keyboard offers a powerful and customizable gaming experience. Number 3, AJAZZ AK820 Mechanical Keyboard with TFT Screen. The AJAZZ AK820 is a multifunctional gaming keyboard that brings innovation to your desk. Featuring a TFT screen and a multifunctional knob, this mechanical keyboard is not just for gaming but also for productivity and office use. Its 3-mode connection, along with customizable RGB lighting, ensures versatility for any user. The gasket structure and linear switches offer smooth typing, making it a stylish and practical gift for both gamers and office workers. Number 2, RK Royal Kludge R75 Gasket Wired Mechanical Keyboard. The RK Royal Kludge R75 is an 80-key mechanical keyboard built for precision and performance. Featuring RGB backlighting and hot-swappable switches, it allows for a customized typing experience. Designed for Spanish gamers, the MDA PBT keycaps offer a comfortable feel, while the gasket structure minimizes sound for a quieter operation. This wired keyboard is perfect for gamers and professionals alike, offering a sturdy build, responsive keys, and a sleek design suited for various setups. Number 1, AULA F75 Wireless Bluetooth Wired Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F75 is a versatile 75% layout gaming keyboard that supports wireless, Bluetooth, and wired connections, making it ideal for gamers on the go. Its RGB backlighting adds flair to your gaming setup, while the customized gasket structure enhances typing comfort and sound dampening. With its OEM profile keycaps and hot-swappable functionality, the keyboard is designed for both gaming enthusiasts and professionals who value personalization. Whether you're gaming, working, or creating content, the F75 delivers smooth, responsive performance with a stylish design.